Logitech Ergo K860. Best for work. An impressive peripheral, the Logitech Ergo K860 keyboard does its job of providing support, comfort, and reducing physical strain. It's a little pricey but has great features like its curved split design and a double-layered soft foam wrist rest with front-end tilt legs. While initially awkward to use, you soon get used to it. Its design is sleek with a curved split keyframe to provide full ergonomic support and improve posture. It's black, professional looking, and uses Logitech's perfect stroke key system, which is similar to the scissor key mechanism used on laptop keyboards. It's sturdy and wireless and connects via Logitech's unifying receiver US dongle and Bluetooth. Meanwhile, its unusually placed feet at the front, not the back, can tilt the keyboard at 4 and 7 degree angles. The Logitech Ergo K860's perfect stroke keys are comfortable to use, but they're not backlit. It's definitely more of a professional work office keyboard, so those features are not necessary nor suitable. Even though it takes time to adjust to its split key design, the Logitech Ergo K860 is an impressive keyboard. The front-end tilt support is interesting and refreshing and helps keep your hands correctly perched above the keyboard. One of the best features of the Logitech Ergo K860 is its double-layered soft foam cushion. It's shaped to the keyboard's curve, comfortable, and adds to its professional look and feel.